Did you know that when you're working with a log plot in IP, you can quickly and easily change the curve set that the data is being plotted from without having to rebuild the log plot? For example, if I have my favourite log plot displaying data from run 1 in my well, but I want to quickly switch the data to run 2 without adding and removing curves from the plot. We can easily do this by clicking on the Edit Format button at the top of our log plot. Then we go along to the Change Sets tab, and as we are going to change the set for all tracks on our log plot, we can then click on the drop down cell for the first entry and select the set that we want to plot the new data from. In this case, I'm selecting run 2. Then we click OK, and the plot will update with our curves from our second run, and will also include our shading. Another example where this can be really useful is if you have a log plot set up the way that you want it, but you want to swap out the interpretation results. For example, I have an old interpretation here from my interp old set, and I want to replace it with my new interpretation from interp new. We can repeat the steps that we did previously by clicking on the Edit Format button, going to the Change Sets tab, and this time we're looking for all tracks using interp old, and we want to swap that out for interp new. We do that by clicking on the drop down cell and then selecting interp new. Once we've done that, we then click OK, and our interpretation has updated whilst the rest of the log plot remains the same. So keep this tip handy for the next time that you are looking to switch out data from different curve sets on a log plot.